to my new listing in Delmar, Delaware. My name is Jody Green and I am with the Oldfather group of Compass Real Estate. Let's take a look inside. So much for taking the tour with me today. For more information on this home or others like it, you can reach me at 302-727-2280.